Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to pan and zoom on an images using Canva. So make sure to follow till the end of this video so you don't miss a single step. You can see how smooth and nice this looks. So let's just get started. So first of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to be minimizing my video and I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process. So I just created this video for you guys and I'm going to be removing all the effects from this. So let's just remove all of this. Now I'm going to be importing image of our choice. You can see I have a lot of images going on in here. Let's just say you want to incorporate any custom image and you want to zoom in on that. So I'm going to be choosing maybe something that looks something like this, or maybe anything of your choice. So I'm going to be importing the same image, or you can do that on your own image if you want to do as well. Now you can see I have a lot of library in here, and from this I'm going to be choosing the image of my choice. And once I do, you can see we have that onto our canvas. Now you are going to be doing two different steps. So first of all is make sure you make this image a little bit big. Then you're going to be making a copy for it. So how you can do that is simply click onto this little duplicate button or icon. You can see we have it duplicated. Now you are going to be heading over to your design section. So for that, head over to your position and you can see we have our this layer on top. We're going to be moving this below and also going to be resizing it so it is going to be really tiny. Make sure to simply decrease the transparency all the way to 0, and now we have a larger size of our image and a smaller variant of our image as well. Make sure to select both of these using shift onto your keyboard and then right click and click on group, and boom, your first step is done. Now you need to adjust your size. Let's just say this is the first frame that I want to be. Make sure to copy and paste it after your playhead is placed. You can see this is our first frame and you can paste it another. So this is not the thing that we need, but instead make sure that from the timeline below you can simply copy it. So you can easily press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You can see it is now copied. For the second frame I'm going to be changing the zoom and size. So let's just do that. I'm going to be moving it here. Let's just paste another version here, and for this one I'm going to be moving the zoom to somewhere else. Let's just say I want it to be, actually you can copy the second frame and copy and paste that, and now I'm going to be moving it here. So now it's time for the transition. So the transition that you're going to be using is going to be match and move, and once you do, make sure to set the duration to 2 seconds, and from the bottom you are going to be simply choosing this apply between all pages option. Once you do that, our effect is ready to go. You can see it is now playing the video and it is zooming into this part, then it is going to be going to panning to this part. So that's how you can easily pan and zoom in on image using Canva video. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.